So these raviolis are simple to make, and if you want to impress somebody with vegan cuisine, this would be the dish. Easy, fast, light, and absolutely delicious. I use treenut cheese, which comes in a couple of different flavors. I chose the herb garlic, which worked out really good, but I think there's also a scallion something else flavored cheese and one other which I don't remember, but either way you can't go wrong. Sprinkle cornmeal onto your cutting board to keep wontons from sticking, and place a spoonful of cheese in center of each. Brush the edges with just plain water and put the second layer on top. Press on edges to seal the cheese in. Cook shiitake mushrooms in vegetable broth for about 3 to 4 minutes until they become kind of translucent and lose their raw appearance. Add diced tomatoes and roast the garlic and simmer for another couple of minutes. Then add your raviolis and simmer for a few more minutes and serve immediately. Garnish with julienne and basil. As always guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out. See you next time.